Hello, everybody. There's a kitty on a speaker right there. See that? I'm going to show off some of the equipment here and how I transfer VHS to digital format. Here's our AV receiver from Yamaha. 7.2 channel. It is has Dolby Atmos. I think it's 80 watts per channel. I don't know. That doesn't always mean anything. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. And then we have this 3-disc DVD player from Pioneer that I got in 2000, and it still works like new, and it's hooked up. And below this, I ordered this one on eBay. This is a Laserdisc player from 1989. I had one in 1992, but the laser went out. And then we have a Blu-ray 4K player right there. And then we got the Roku, and that's the antenna rotor that's dusty. And we have a top-of-the-line VHS VCR, Super VHS VCR from JVC. And below that, we have a Magnavox 4-head Hi-Fi VCR 2 DVD recorder. So you can record to a DVD from using this unit, and I'll have to show you how that's done sometime. And up here we have a turntable from Audio Technica with Bluetooth, so you can hook it up to a Bluetooth speaker, an optional speaker that has Bluetooth, and you can play. There it is. It plays 12-inch records and 7-inch records, so that's 33.5 and 45 right there. Fully automatic from Audio Technica. There's not a lot of fully automatic models on the market, but that's one of them. And I like automatic because it's fast and easy. Anyway, we got this recording device right here from Cloner Alliance called the View Pro, and it can record HDMI input, like from a Blu-ray player, or from a Blu-ray player. It can record right here. These are component cables. So if your Blu-ray player has component, or you have an older device like a DVD player, like this one, you can record with component. A little better picture quality. And it also has composite cables. These are your standard RCA. And I have it hooked to the Super VHS VCR from JVC using these composite cables. These are just standard RCA cables. But these RCA cables are from a company called Monster Cable. And they produce like the best cables, some of the best cables out there. And it works great. You know, there's very little loss in these kind of cables. Of course, they're like 30 bucks, you know, for those cables, or whatever it was. Maybe it was 40 bucks. I don't know. It's been a long time since I got them. And I'm going to show you how that's done. I'll show you the kind of media that we can record on. We even have this right here. See this right here? This is an old VCR rewinder, so that I can put the tapes in there and I can just rewind them with this, and then it saves the wear and tear on the heads on your players, because there's not a lot of places that can fix these anymore. Specialty places where you have to ship them off to. Works good. So we can record from this to DVD, or we can record to my little to the View Pro device over here, and it does a very nice job. So let me show you some of the other media. Sorry about that. We can record to a DVD-R like this right here. These are 4.7 gigabytes. And these are dual layer DVD-Rs, and they're 8.5 gigabytes. And we can record right there to Blu-ray. And these are 25 gigabytes right here. And they do make a 50 gigabyte recordable Blu-ray. I don't have any. But I don't know, it's almost an outdated technology. But the main way, most of the time, you just put them on one of these SanDisk flash drives, you know, because, you know, SanDisk, I think they're probably the best out there. Anyway, you put it on these and all your files are there. You plug it into your Blu-ray player or on the back of your smart TV and you can watch all your files. And that's pretty neat, isn't it? Right there it is, folks. That's the #1 option. And so we can transfer these tapes right here. These are, whoops, get it right side up. These are 8mm video cassettes from the Sony Handycams. And you can also do 8 high or 8 digital. Those work too. We can transfer those because I still have a working camcorder that I can play it on. And we can do VHS compact because I have an adapter that fits in the VCR. And this one is a 30, so it could 30 minutes of record time on these, and they make a 40. But still, 30 minutes and 40 minutes, and so these are great because, you know, you don't have to wait too long to, you know, capture the recording, and you can go out and play after you get done and not spend a lot of time. Sorry about the bright light there reflecting off the TV. That's the studio light over here. It looks like the sun's shining in. That's not always a bad thing. So that's what we have there. So kind of show you how it works here in a second. Let me get it set up. Top of the morning, I'm still here. All right, I'm going to show you more about this recording device right here. Here it is. It comes with a remote control. So I'm going to start recording. And on the VCR and video cassette recorder. And I'm going to press this button right here. That's the record button, and it's going to start recording for us. If I press the, here's the ratio button right here, 4:3 mode or 16:9. 16:9 is high definition. And this is not high definition. Cassette tapes are 4:3. It's a square picture instead of a wide angle picture. So we want to make sure that's in 4:3. It is, because we see bars on both sides. We got the source on AV. That's where it's supposed to be. So now all I have to do is hit play. And click record. Now it is recording. Can you see that right there? I'm on to the next step. Top of the morning to you. Let's get this video over with. Woo! Hey, bada bada bada, swing. That is a 7-inch screen, so you can really see what you're doing. The 4:3 mode that we're in is that, like I said, that's what VCR tapes recorded in. Now, some of your DVD players will play in the 16:9 mode, but the better ones, like my Samsung Blu-ray player here that also has 4K, plays it back in the correct 4:3 mode automatically, because it detects what mode it should be in. This device can record 1080p HD through the HDMI cable. Sorry for the shaking. My hand is a little shaky. But anyway, that's what it looks like. There, that's steady. Swing, bada, 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 swing, bada. Swing. Yep, that's what that looks like. And then we can see. Pretty neat, huh? Oh no, it's me again. I'm back. And look at this little device right here. You plug a USB. Oh, we got one right. We got several of these. You plug a USB into here like that, and you can record from the old cassette tapes onto the USB, and then run it through your computer. And I don't think it has any Dolby B or C noise reduction, but it still works. So you can still convert your tapes to digital format. I mean, tapes always had a little hiss to them anyway. That's where your Dolby B and C came in at. And then there were, I don't know, there was a couple other formats later that even reduced the noise more, but I don't remember. Like I said, I'm not a super technical geek here. I'm just a geek. Yeah. I'm just a geeky. So when I stop this, I'll take the SD card out and I'll put it in my SD card reader. Oh, let me show you that. Here's my little, I actually have like 2 or 3 of these things. And I've got a micro USB card in it now because, okay, now the recording is finished. I'm going to take the SD card out of the bottom. You push up on it, and then it snaps out of place right here. Now I'm going to put it into my USB card reader right here. I'll put it on the computer and see what the file size is on that, and show you how that's done. And then that's it. That's it on this video. All right, now we're on the desktop, and I have the card reader plugged in, and we're going to grab the file off the card reader. We're going to copy and we're going to paste it onto the desktop. Oh, I'm going to rename it first, just to give it a catchy little name here. This is when Turkey Run won state in softball in 1996. This is one of the games from that. We're copying it on there. Here we go, here we go. This part can be slow. It's like a 7 gigabyte file, so it's huge. So now we are going to have to resize the file and make it smaller. So we're going to use some compression software here, DVD Fab. So we're going to start up that, and we're going to go into the converter at the top here. We're going to click that. We're going to open the file and bring it in. And right there it is. Now we have to get it below 4 gigabytes or it won't fit on the flash drive, because that's the limit, is 4 gigabytes. So we're going to go into the custom settings here. And we're going to go up here and turn the pixel. I can't see that with my eyes, but we're going to turn that down on the meter, because that'll take it down. Then make the file size smaller, and we'll get it under 4 gigabytes. And click OK. There we go. And now we can start the process. Click OK again. And now it's converting the file into a new file that's a little bit smaller, a little more compressed. Okay, there we are towards the end there. There it goes. There's the OK button. Now we close that out, close that out. Now we're going to copy the file onto the flash drive now. And there we have it on the flash drive, as you can see at the bottom right there. So we're going to click on that and see what the video looks like.
Come on, Ange, hit it.
Hey, batta, 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 swing, batta. 1996 is a long time ago. Look how clear that is. It came out good.
Just hit it.
I was only 10 years old in 1996. Hey, batta, batta, swing, batta. Oh no. I hope she doesn't strike out here. Come on, don't strike out. That wouldn't be good.
Come on, sis. Come on.
Swinging at the dirt.
Come on, keep your head in there.
Try it again. She's a lefty.
Way awesome.
Well, I think the quality's good, so I'm going to call this video done, and I hope you learned something. And be nice, keep breathing, and we'll see you soon. Adios, goodbye, and good riddance.
Come on, Angie.